So welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna take a look at market structure. Price action is one key aspect to help us to determine if price is bearish or bullish, right? With market structure, we can identify the potential where price will go. If market structure fails, we call it break off structure, also known as BOS. Let's look on the charts for examples. I must also always give you guys the theory of what it is before I will identify it. So market structure, guys, is basically one key aspect that you guys must understand before you can actually master your craft in the financial markets. In any market that you will trade, you will always gonna need to understand market structure. Market structure is the common aspect, guys, that you will need, right? So let's jump and take a look at some slides. Here we can see we have what we call the bullish trend right here. In a bullish trend, guys, we can most likely expect price to continue to the upside. Right is when price trading from this side to the upside. Right, and bearish is once price trade from this side to the downside, and then we have a side movement, and the side movement is also what we call the range. So what we could have seen right here is that we have a higher low and a higher high. Why is this a higher high? Because why this high is higher than our previous higher high. So we can see price creating a higher low. Why is this a higher low? Because why this higher low is higher than our previous higher low. And there we can see price continue to the upside to break this previous structure highs to create a new form of a higher high, right? So here we can see we have a bearish trend is once price is declining and continue to the downside. Here we can see price create this lower low, retrace back, and there we can see we have a lower high, and after lower high we can expect price to continue to the downside. Once price breaking this previous structure, and there we can see we did create this lower low. Price retrace back, create the lower high. Why is this lower high? Because why it's lower than our previous lower high, and price continued to the downside to create this new form of a lower low, right? So once we see prices moving to the side, guys, this is basically what we call a range or a consolidation. That is when price is not creating one of the two that I mentioned above, either bullish or bearish, but price is basically just continue to the downside. So we'll not trade ranging markets, but only if we have a huge range where we can trade from our key levels, but more of that in the next chapters. So I hope you guys understand what the basic concept is of a market structure. It's basically we have a bullish trend, we have a bearish trend, and we have the sideways market. So this is basically what it means to understand market structure. So now we're gonna take a look at more of this in the charts.